This is a video guide dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called ucyLocker. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not associated with this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data can be opened easily before the ransomware attack. But unfortunately, because of some vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So this is what happens. People notice this special ransom note on the desktop screen, and also this special Windows extension is also appended to the file names. Obviously, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Removing this additionally appended extension does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom obviously is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money for nothing. Don't waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection of any malware, so wait until the update has been successfully accomplished. After the successful update of the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will then give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It only helps to protect your files from being damaged in the future. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations on the computer. We recommend that you upgrade to premium license, since this is the best solution to keep your files always protected from further ransomware or malware attacks.